Hey guys, today we're going to be unpacking. I just got back from a vacation down in Disney, have tons of laundry to get done. So I'm just going to be cleaning all weekend, doing a weekend refresh, just focusing on getting all the laundry done, sanitizing things, putting all of my makeup away, all the kids stuff away, and then just doing a little vacuuming. And I wanted to clean my makeup brushes. Something about getting back from vacation, just like to get them nice and fresh. So normally I feel like I would always clean the house and get everything ready before going on vacation. Now I more so like to do it after we get back. So just putting everything away and just getting the house back to a baseline before the work week and the school week starts all over again. I have 5 loads of laundry to get through today, just from stuff that was kind of piling up before we went on vacation. And then of course, all of the laundry that came back with us from vacation. So we were down in Disney during Hurricane Tropical Storm Nicole, and unfortunately, it did put a damper on our trip. We did make the best out of it, but we walked around soaking wet. I had a couple pairs of sneakers that had to get put in the garbage, unfortunately. But that's the chance you take booking a trip down to Florida during hurricane season. So I'm using the laundry sanitizer in all of the loads. Pretty much that everything that came back from Florida, it just works really good. Makes me feel like everything is nice and clean and disinfectant. And I recently switched my detergent pods. I was using the All brand. Now I'm using the Tide. It is the free and gentle. So it's free from any dyes or perfumes. And I'm really liking it. I'm feeling like it is cleaning the clothes a little bit better, but I have to test it out some more. So I'm going to get a bunch of loads going, and I'm pretty impressed with the fact that my husband and I were able to use the one larger suitcase, and then my kids shared a smaller suitcase. So we were able to get down there with just the 2 suitcases, and it worked out perfectly. So to use this laundry sanitizer, you just pour it in where the fabric softener would go. That's all you do. It's really easy. And I packed a lot of shorts and more summer clothes, bathing suits, and unfortunately, I really didn't get to use any of those. I pretty much just wore leggings and sweatshirts or windbreakers with the poncho on. So I have a lot of stuff that I packed that just needs to get put away. And I always put my brushes in this little bag. I got it, I think, with the Jaclyn Hill Morphe collab. And then I love this little travel bag. It's by Vera Bradley. It is perfect to put your makeup in for traveling, and then it just folds up. And I always like to try to travel with travel size bronzers and blushes and things like that. So that really helps kind of lighten up the load too.
Yeah.
And I just posted a quick makeup declutter on my channel a couple weeks ago. I will put it up above in the cards here in case you're interested and you wanted to check that out.
She's no average girl, too fine, oh she might. She's so damn fine. I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you.
So at this point, I've gotten, I think, 2 loads done, and I got a few more to go. So just moving right along, going in with the same Tide Pods and then the laundry sanitizer. So the same thing. So while that's running, I just go and move on to doing something else, like cleaning the bathroom, vacuuming. I always like to make sure I'm having a load going while I'm doing another cleaning chore, just to get, use the time wisely and maximize productivity. But I really wanted to clean my makeup brushes because after going on vacation, I don't know, the hotel room, I just feel like everything kind of gets gross, and I like to just get my brushes and my sponge super clean. So what I normally do now is I'll use a shampoo that maybe I tried that I didn't really like. So this one works perfect for cleaning my brushes, and it's really gentle on the hairs. And then if something is stubborn, especially for cleaning a beauty sponge, use the Dawn dish soap. It is unbelievable. There's surfactants in that really pull everything out of the sponge. It takes a little bit of time, but it gets the sponge perfect. You'll see here in a second.
Yeah. Turn up for the night. Real thing, she's no average girl, too fine, oh she might give up on the baggage, girl. You got too much going on in that mind, let me help you. Yeah. Let me give you the moments in your life to step to. Fly away together. Can't help it with your body. Just wanna make you happy. I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you. Not a thing I won't do. Ooh yeah. I just wanna call on you. Let me do it all for you. Can't nobody ball on you. Ooh yeah.
I have never had anything that works this well to clean a beauty sponge, and I have tried like the boiling method, everything. This is the way to go. So now that I have everything put away, I'm just gonna freshen up the bathroom, vacuum, mop, and then clean the countertops and the sink.
About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche, we're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free.
So I have a pretty big plastic bin that I keep all of my travel supplies in. So like whatever's not used from the previous trip, I like to keep like wet ones, disinfectant wipes, shampoo, lotion, all like little travel size bottles. It's just perfect. It's easy. I can see what I have. I can see what I need to replenish. So I got this Callpack or Calpack luggage from, I think, TJ Maxx. It was a set of 3 for like under $250. Totally amazing. Such a good deal. I'm just going to do a quick vacuum and then use the Bona to clean the hardwood. And then I want to show you some new bedding that I got. It's by My Texas House. You can get it at Walmart. It's so pretty. I just wanted something different. And I was able to still use like my white duvet cover and then just kind of do like an accordion style draping over the bottom. I still need to get like some pillows and a couple other things, maybe some new curtains, but having like the white rug and everything, it just makes things really easy to change it up. So that's it for this week's video. I hope that you guys liked it, and I will see you next week. And I will link a couple things like this set down below.